Hello everyone, welcome back to Mathematics for Everyone. We are taking word problems involving three sets. We shall break it down step by step using a Venn diagram and make it super simple. So the steps are: number 1, draw Venn diagram. Draw the Venn diagram. Second, start from the center. Start from the center. Third, fill two set intersections. Fill two sets intersections. Fourth, fill only one region. Fill only one region. Fifth, add everything inside the circles. Add everything inside the circles. Inside the circles. Sixth, subtract from total to get none. Subtract from total to get none. Once again, we see the step-by-step procedure which is to be followed when we want to solve a word problem involving three sets using Venn diagram. First of all, draw Venn diagram. Second, start from the center of the Venn diagram. Then fill two sets intersections. Then fill only one region. Then add everything inside the circles. Then subtract from total to get none. So to clarify this, we are taking an example. If in a sports academy, academy 42 medals were awarded to 42 medals are awarded to hockey team, 19 in volleyball, 19 to volleyball team, and 23 to cricket team. If these medals went to a total of 66 men, and only 7 men get medals in all the three, in all the three supports, then how many got medals in exactly two of three sports. Exactly two of three supports. Solve it by using Venn diagram. Venn diagram. Solution. We shall use the intersecting circles. We shall use intersecting circles for hockey, H, volleyball V, and cricket C. The overlapping regions will help us fill in the right numbers. So first of all, we draw three intersecting circles. First of all, we draw three intersecting circles. This circle denotes hockey, and this is volleyball, and this is cricket. And as we have seen from the question, number of men in hockey is 42, number of men in volleyball is 19, number of men in cricket is 23, and common is N H intersection V intersection C is 7. So first of all, as we have already seen in the very beginning, the step-by-step procedure for Venn diagram. First of all, we have drawn Venn diagram. Second, you will start from the center. Center is this. So common is 7. Then we shall fill two intersections. So this is X, this one. And only for hockey and volleyball. Only for volleyball and cricket is Y. And only for hockey and cricket is Z. So as we have seen, this whole hockey is 42. And when we subtract these X, 7 and Z from 42, we get this only hockey. So this is 35 minus X minus Z. Similarly, only volleyball is 19. Only volleyball will be 19 minus X minus Y minus 7. That is 12 minus X minus Y. Similarly, only cricket, total cricket is 23, and only cricket will be 23 minus this is 16 minus Y minus Z. So as per question, the total of all these is 66, total men. So we shall make Total of first of all take only hockey, only volleyball and only cricket. 35 minus x minus z plus 12 minus x minus y plus 16 minus y minus z, then plus x plus y plus z plus 7 is equal to 66. So we simplify this, cancel x, y, z. So we are left with 35 plus 12 is 47. 47 plus 16 is 63, plus 7 is 70, minus x minus y minus z is 66. So x plus y plus z is 70 minus 66, which is 4. So required number of men is 4. So 4 men got medals exactly in 2 of the 3 sports. Once again, we shall draw 3 circles to show 3 sports: hockey, volleyball, cricket. Then according to the given numbers, first of all we shall fill common 7, and these only hockey and volleyball we have taken x, volleyball and cricket we have taken y, only hockey and cricket we have taken z. So this whole is 42. When we subtract these 3 from 42, we get this one. Similarly, from 19, where you will subtract this one, you will get this. Similarly, from 23, when you subtract all these, you will get this. The total is 66. By adding these two, and we get the values x plus y plus z. So this is how to solve a word problem including 3 sets by using Venn diagram by step-by-step procedure. So that's all. You have learned how to solve word problems with 3 sets by using Venn diagram. Smash that like button, subscribe if you have not already done, and don't forget to share this with your classmates. In the next video, we shall take multiple choice questions MCQ in set theory. Thank you very much.